Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Our mission here guys at the shop is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos so you can learn how to fix your car for free guys. So please subscribe. Now what we'll be doing today, okay, if the climate control does not work on your Ford Focus MK3, this one will be the generation 2012 to 2018 guys. We'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus guys and other cars as well, so please subscribe to the channel guys for all the work we do here. Now let me show you. Doesn't matter if you have the manual climate control or the digital climate control, it could be these two fuses, okay, for the climate control. So we have two of them, okay, and probably you notice that our glove box is missing. Don't worry, you don't have to remove yours. The only reason we did that is so we can show you exactly where the fuses are in a better angle. All you have to do, okay, remove that carpet lining piece there, that cover, squish on both sides, pull down and remove that thing. That's where your fuses are located. That's your BCM module right there guys. So what we'll be doing now, okay, the fuses that we need to check, okay, is the first one. We have two fuses. The first one will be number 71. So if you come to the fuse on the top right corner, you can see on every fuse it has a number. And in our case, okay, 71 is this 10 fuse, the third one from left to right, from bottom to top, second row left to right. So this is one of the climate control fuses, yep, right there. Now the replacement fuse guys, okay, check out the description of the video below to see where we got those fuses and how affordable they are. So many replacement fuses for unbelievable price. They even come with a free fuse puller. So I'm going to get another 10 fuse, okay, and just install it here now. Now we need to make sure that everything is lining good, really good, before you push it in. The other fuse that could be, okay, is fuse number 88, and it's that 25 fuse, okay, right here. This one. Okay, this one is actually, okay, let me check it. Yep, this one is actually good fuse. Most of the times you can see on the new ones that we have here, check out how much easier it is to see the element inside, so you definitely know if it's a good or bad fuse. But this one is good. Also, if you're in doubt, we have a video on the channel that explains how to test fuses. Okay, all kind of different fuses, relays and things like that. So now check it out. It's a little bit sideways, it's not going to go in. So okay, make sure that everything is aligning and then push it in. Do not forget to install your cover here later, and that will be guys the whole procedure. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.